Wow. Her name is Charlotte, so it is a Charlotte Remy human hair lace wig. She is 150% density, so I think regular wigs are 130% density, meaning she has a little bit more hair than the average wig. But I think for long hair, that's what you want to have, a little bit more hair. However, like my biggest problem with my wigs is that they're like poofy at the top, which is not something that I was used to, but she doesn't look very poofy at the top. The exact color is a mixture of ice blonde and beige blonde with natural looking dark roots. So I think that's also a huge thing for a wig. If it has dark roots, it looks much more natural than a wig that is just one color all around. Alrighty, so for those of you who aren't familiar with wigs, usually when you get a wig sent to you, it doesn't have its lace cut. So if you can see here, she has a bunch of extra lace on the front and on the sides, and this is really meant for you to kind of cut it on your own based on your hairline. Some people have different kinds of hairlines, so you can cut them differently. From all the tutorials that I've watched, you're supposed to cut it on your own head, but I don't feel comfortable doing that just because I don't think I'm experienced enough to cut it on my own head. So I'm gonna put it on my mannequin because I think I'll do a better job cutting her that way. So I'll cut the lace front and then I'll show you what she looks like on. Alrighty, lace is cut. Let's give her a go. Goodness, I definitely don't look good when I'm trying to look on. Hold on. Let me just take a quick peek here. Oh my god! Wow. Okay, wow. So it's crazy how like just a wig can make me feel like my old self again. I have not looked in the mirror and looked like this in a very long time. And I mean, granted it's not exact, but it is so similar. And okay, so one thing that I really do have to say about this wig is it is so light. My big problem with my old wig is that it was much heavier, and so when I would wear it for a couple hours straight, I just couldn't wait to take it off. Like, it was so heavy, it would give me a headache, and this wig is so lightweight, and it just is so snug on my head. I feel like I could do gymnastics and it would stay. This is, once again, Charlotte Remy Human Hair Lace Wig from UniWigs. Their website is www.uniwigs.com. I will link everything down below so you can go check them out. They have a huge variety of synthetic wigs, real human hair wigs, and just anything you really need. They're super easy, so these are very beginner friendly wigs. All you have to do is measure your head, give them your measurements, and then cut the lace yourself, which is not really hard to do. I have personally had very little experience with doing that, and doing it on a mannequin was no problem. So yes, guys, I've finally found a website that I can recommend to people to go buy their wigs from, which is amazing. So go check them out. Their website is www.uniwigs.com.